this is your time to kill on your vocals. Come on, because दो ही chords हैं, बजती रहेंगी time and again, but with your voice you can kill this song. So yes, go ahead and kill it.
1, 2, 3, let's go.
Howdy everyone, this is Astha Joshi and you're watching Learning Never Stops and Barasiya Ghosh. Wow, this song is just so beautiful. मैंने उसी दिन आपको बता दिया था जिस दिन आपने मुझे रिक्वेस्ट करा था कि you know this song is really beautiful. I heard it for the first time when you sent it and wow, just so beautiful. So I'm finally making a tutorial of it and you won't believe how many chords? 2. सिर्फ 2 chord का song है, बहुत easy है. You know, अगर आप advanced player हैं then you can literally play a lot on the strumming pattern. अगर आप beginner हैं तो easy strumming pattern use करके आप इस song को गा सकते हैं. It is amazing for all levels of ukulele players. Okay, वैसे कोई ऐसा level नहीं होता है, it's just in our head. I mean, if you want to play something you can play it. Okay, अब जहाँ where there is a will there is a way. So we are carving that way together. तो शुरू करते हैं with the lesson. I told you ये सिर्फ 2 chords वाला song है. So here are the chords. If you know already how to play them, just skip and let's get started. So the first chord we have here is A. Now A is, you take your index finger on the first fret. I'm using capo on the very first fret. So this is my first fret now. So first fret and third string is your index finger, then your middle finger goes on the second fret, fourth string. A. Beautiful, right? Uske baad the next chord that we have is whoop, D. Now many people play D like this. I cannot. Many people partially bar it. I'm very bad at barring chords. So I use my 3 fingers and I go like this. So this is 4th, 3rd and 2nd string of 2nd fret. This is D. ठीक है, बस यही दोनों chords हैं जो use होंगी. Now coming to the strumming pattern, here we go. If you're a very beginner, you might just want to use single down strums. Okay, like बावरे कुछ ख्यालों में, बचकाने से सवालों में संग रहियो. Okay, if you have surpassed this level, अगर आपको लगता है कि नहीं आपको ये नहीं यूज़ करना है, you want to use maybe island strumming, अगर आप island strumming सीख रहे हैं तो you can also use island strumming, but गाना थोड़ा सा fast हो जाता है with island strumming. Okay, so let's see how. बावरे कुछ ख्यालों में, बचकाने से सवालों में संग रहियो. Okay, now if you want to play the kind of strumming that I am doing, then that strumming is down, down, up, 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 down, up, down, up. Now I have used this strumming quite a lot now. I've been using it very often, but it's just that it's going so well in this song. Okay, it is down, down, up, 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 down, up, down, up, down, down, up, 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 down, up, down, up. अब देखते हैं ये इस गाने में कैसे फिट हो रहा है. बावरे कुछ ख्यालों में, बचकाने से सवालों में संग रहियो. So it's good. Now if you want to bring in a nice beachy bohemian look, bohemian feel to your song, then you can add some chucking and muting in between. Okay, like बावरे कुछ सवालों में, बचकाने से सवालों में संग रहियो, संग रहियो. So I mean it just brings in a more it brings in a more wavy kind of feel to it. Okay, now coming to the lesson, वैसे आप कुछ हद तक समझ गए होंगे कि क्या progression और कैसे चलने वाला है. We go to A and then D. These are the only 2 chords. बावरे कुछ ख्यालों and then go to me D. Me. So I'm just playing the whole strumming pattern on each chord, पूरा का पूरा. Okay, one more time. बावरे कुछ ख्यालों में. Next time goes similar. बचकाने से सवालों में. A. संग रहियो. Stay. संग रहियो. Stay. समझे ना दुनिया. Now coming to D. तू तो मुझको समझे. A. Yo. One more time. समझे ना दुनिया, तू तो मुझको समझियो. Next line goes the same. दिल ना समझ है, दिल को कुछ भी न कहियो. Easy?
Now coming to the next part जो थोड़ा सा different है, which is
नैनों में पैगाम जिस तरह. On A only. Next line will also be on A. मस्जिद में आसान जिस तरह. Okay. Then we go to D. सुबह आने तक चल रहे. And we'll leave it here and then we'll go to A and we'll go one strum. पलकों में अरमान जिस तरह. Okay. समझ आया? Let me just show you. Just look at me and then we will do together. Okay. नैनों में पैगाम जिस तरह, मंदिर में आसान जिस तरह, सुबह आने तक चल रहे. पलकों में अरमान जिस तरह. संग रही हो, संग रही हो. समझे ना दुनिया, तू तो मुझको समझियो. ओके. थोड़ा ज़्यादा लंबा खींच लिया मैंने. मेरे से गाय नहीं जा रहा दैट ना हाई नोट, बट यू गाइज आर एक्सपर्ट. नाउ लेट्स डू इट टुगेदर. नैनों में पैगाम जिस तरह, मंदिर में आसान जिस तरह. स्विच टू डी. सुबह आने तक चल रहे. देन गो टू ए. पलकों में अरमान जिस तरह. संग रही हो, संग रही हो. समझे ना दुनिया, तू तो मुझको समझियो. Okay, so this is how we play this song. It's a beautiful song. Go ahead, play it, and if you are uploading it anywhere, I would love to hear it. Just send me the link. I'm available on Insta for you guys to share your work with me, because I love seeing you guys, just play the songs. I mean, it is beautiful. It is a beautiful feeling. And thank you, Barasia, my love. It was a beautiful, beautiful song to play, and my music gallery is enhancing and building up because of you people. I mean, you're sending such beautiful new songs. Keep on doing that. Keep on sending your requests. I will try my level best to do them. But please, अगर मैं नहीं कर पा रही हूँ तो please मुझसे नाराज़ मत होइएगा. Please understand me. Just understand, okay? And you'll come to know what I'm trying to say here. All right. I love you all. Thank you so much for your support, for your love. If you're watching this video and if you've not subscribed yet, you might just want to think about it. I mean, yeah. And yeah, that's it. Bye. Oh yes, adios amigos and amigas.